Bye, Nel. Gagala ka na naman. Saan ka pupunta ka? Airplane. Wow, buti ka pa. Buti pa siya ah. Say hi. Say hi. Hi, Pan. Sabi mo. Gagala kami. Anak kong gala.
Airplane.
Yes. Airplane. San airplane?
Other one.
How many airplane?
1, 2,
How many? How many did you see? Four. Oh, very good.
Dito ko si Mama.
Wala din mo kami.
Oh, usok.
Ang dami.
Naman, kainaman. Right hand drive eh oh. Dito na kami sa aming hotel. Ayan oh. Dakway Hotel. Ayos, ganda. Wow! Laki yan, no? Taba, oh. Si Garfield.
Garfield.
That's Garfield. Hi. Hi. Garfield. Hey, swimming. Hi. Garfield.
Ayaw out. Mommy, baby. Mommy. Mommy, ayaw out.
Dito kami ngayon sa taas ng bato. Dito tayo ngayon sa Fort Canning. Isa sa pinupuntahan ng mga turista dito sa Singapore. Ayan, marami mga turista. Oh yeah, para lang kami nandito sa Baguio. Oh, ang gaganda ng mga flowers oh, parang bulaklak. Hey!
Tan!
Nak,
Know this?
nasan ka?
Here.
Ah,
Here, this is Santan.
nandito kami sa Fort Canning.
Careful na yan.
Magla-lunch muna kami dito. Ayan. Sa Bugis Cube. Tin, 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 tin. Ice.
One is just 2 years old.
Pet Malu. Sarap. Anli daw dito, Anli. Hindi po, no? Madam! Madam! Soup po! Soup po.
Kasi princess ka eh.
Mapa, dito na ako, nakaluwag-luwag na, na Singapore na. Amazing building. Opya. Andito kami ngayon sa ewan ko ng kalsada to, papunta kami ng ano eh, ng yung ano, Lion's Head sa Merlion Parks. Ayos nga din dito. Si ate solo, mag-isa lang eh. Wala kasing kasama eh. Te, ayos ka lang dyan. Kaya mo yan, sige. O di ka. Ay, ayan naman oh, ganda oh. Ayun. Yun yung famous lion. Oh, di ba? Nak, picture tayo dito, maganda yung ano.
Na nga.
Ayun guys, nakikita nyo yun? Yun. Doon tayo pupunta mamaya. Nga tayo ganun oh. Nak,
Hindi ko mapicturean.
nak, sabi mo yung ano, yung paano yung matulog si mami. Ganun oh. Doon mamaya, doon oh. Kita mo yun. Ganda nung ano, wala. Ang mga turista. Galing oh. Magalaw oh. Oh. Oh, big fish. Wow, chandelier. Wait. What is that? I think it's a bear. I no, that's not bear. Cat. It's a cat. Yeah, big cat.
Cat.
Yes, big cat.
Cat.
Yeah.
Like this is the big cat.
Mm.
Flowers like another one. Look, so cute. Come on. Come on.
Dali, vlog ka na. Hello, welcome to my vlog. Sabi mo.
Hello, and dog my butt. What is it?
Ayun na. Dito pa, meron pa dito eh. $2. May money changer din. rep magnet. How many dollar? $1 each. Ito, 5 for $10. Ay.
Okay, we are here.
You have arrived at your destination.
Take some photos before you leave.
Okay, thank you. We are here now at Mount Faber.
Let's explore.
Sasakay tayo dyan. Pupunta tayo dun sa kabila. Yan, sasakay kami ng cable cars.
Dami.
Cable car yan.
Oh my God!
Oh my God.
Tayo ka dito, oh. Tignan mo.
Oh my God, what?
Look! Look up here!
Yan mo nga dyan. Tal.
Minor, nakita mo?
Kita sa airplane, maliit lang yung window.
Inland, lush forests still cover much of the island,
Huh?
giving you a chance to spot interesting wildlife
Really?
such as monkeys, monitor lizards, and even eagles. Highest
Go
ocean
here, Papa, sabi mo.
Monkey Papa!
Sky View Sentosa is one of the highest vantage points on the island.
Oh my.
Sa 7-Eleven na lang kayo bumili ng diaper.
Meron ba dyan?
Meron sa Sentosa. Eh, sarado pa naman Universal Studio.
Ina, dyan na tayo sa taas.
Oh my God. It's no... Hi.
Taas oh, ito yung mataas. Ganda oh. Tuwang-tuwa ang bata. Ganda no? Ayun oh, ayun oh, ang laki, ang lalaki ng mga ano.
I can't see.
Ang dami. Kita mo?
Dolphins, dolphins.
Ang dami nga eh. Ang daming dolphin. Hi! Ryan! Mga bata, pikit ko. Hindi mga bata, pikit ko. Sarap! Paparade na sila, paparade. Hi! Ay, hi! Ano, minions? Ayun o. Ayun o.
It smells like banana! Banana? Crew, I was wondering
Madam.
if I should
banana eh, no?
Sure, sweetie, but give it wait. I'm really behind schedule, and I have to train these guys.
Oh, can we help?
What?
Yeah, we can train them.
Hmm. Dito to. Ano yan? Ano yan? Gusto mo doon? Gusto mo doon? Ah, stop?
You actually don't even touch the earth off the top of your head. So I don't know how
Ano pa po? Ano ba bigyan tayo, madam? Kabuti tayo dito. Tara.
Okay, we got it. An outstanding show out here. And me, of course. There is no Alex without blue. There is no blue without Alex. Have a Jurassic rest of your day, you guys.
Wow! Big! 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 So big! You know? Oh! You want them? Wow! Wow! Oh! Wow! Wow!
Yan nga yung pinipilahan nila. Yung kaya may lang.
Oh, dinosaur! Dinosaur! Yeah! Don't worry, there's a lot of dinosaur here.
Welcome back. We hope you enjoyed your tour.
Jurassic Park Rapid Center for Chicken Weekend Fun and enjoy the rest of your day here at Jurassic Park.
You can do it! Yes,
Ryan! Tingin, dito, kaway.
Yeah, the dinosaurs, guys. Yan na, dalawa.
Oh no!
We're rotating. Dinosaurs. Story yan eh. Story. A story. Oh, di ba mag-escape? Mapakita ng story.
Ha?
Dinosaur.
Oh no! It's a dinosaur! Wow! Cody, tingin ka dito.
Ayan na yung ano, exciting part ng story. Ano?
Alin?
Outbreak.
Merong gugulak sa atin.
Outbreak? Dinosaur outbreak. No, I watched it.
Yung bay, tago mo lang.
Tago mo lang mamaya. Ready ko rin sa
Keep an eye out for our two parasaurolophers, one of which is
Nawawala yung signal. Delikado tayo ah.
may last yun eh. Woo! Oh, tingin kayo dito, kamay kayo, ayan na! Woo! Ayan na, ayan na! Woo! Ayan na, mapapatayo tayo! Woo! Ayan na, ayan na! Ayan na, basa! Yeah! Basa! Ay, ay, ay! Basa na ako! Basa kami guys! Basa kami! Woo!
Dinosaur. Scary dinosaur.
Lumalabas siya! Ayan na! Ayan na! Ayan na! Excited bike! Wow! Woo! Wow! Ganda! Okay! Good! Tuwan-tuwa! Bata! Ayan na! Wow! Nakakailo ah! Nakakailo! Wala, drop tayo! Ay, tayo sa taso! Sa taso! Babagsak! Babagsak! Sa akin yun ang basta sa akin nakaano eh.
Kaya pala basa yung mga ano, lumalabas doon.
Ayun, maganda sakyan no? Roller coaster. You want to ride there? Nung unang panahon daw kasi ganito raw kasi kalalaki mga tao eh.
You will never find the book.
Your souls will be mine for all eternity.
Mintik ka! Nagulat ako sa'yo! Bakla!
Your end shall be my beginning. Behold your fate. You will never prepare to forfeit your soul.
Hindi. Napalaman si Ate. Tingnan mo si Bumblebee oh. Oh!
This combat specialist, and our objective today is to familiarize you with these spectacle nests.
They appear to be out of the Allspark fragment. This is the real deal, people. All defensive assets should be focused to secure the Allspark. Initiate red alert intrusion.
All right, recruits. Ready or not, it's mission time. Line up that company. Now, put on your glasses.
Oh, kayo.
Well done.
Ayun nga, tinatanggal ko yung salamin ko eh.
Way to improvise, team. Thanks for being the challenge. Let's head on back to base. You can ride with evac anytime.
Alright, you ready to meet Donkey? Okay, on the count of 3, we're gonna shout Donkey, and hopefully these massive doors are gonna open. Alright, you ready? Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3, shout Donkey! Wow.
Hi, say hi. Hi. My name.
Puss in Boots was his name, and swashbuckling his
Sarap
game.
po ya.
For
Hello,
a while, he was always on top,
Sarap
but his
po
9
ya.
lives started dwindling. His love not
Ayun na,
rekindling.
tignan mo magkabukas
Our
siya.
hero knew
Pag nag-open,
something must stop.
Greetings and salutations. I am the teller of fortunes, the scryer of futures, the mystical Lady Luck. Now that's very clap for me, people. Come on, clap your hands. Clap.
Clap, 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 clap. What color you want? Red? Red. This one? This? Oh, sige, sige.
Gather your belongings and follow the signs towards the nearest exit. We hope you enjoyed your swirl and enjoy the rest of your day at Super.
Lionel, dito.